My name is Jordan Bratter. I am the founder, president, and operator of JSB Media. We are a full-service media planning and buying agency. Today we work with Klever to help support our programmatic media needs on a variety of our client businesses, from retail to real estate to SaaS to hospitality. Before Klever, we had another provider similar to Klever. We were able to increase our performance from our previous provider. And what I always do is I compare Klever to our direct programmatic campaigns and see where the performance is trending. Sometimes Klever will beat our direct campaigns, and we'll shift more budgets towards them. Klever has earned my trust and has given me the ability to take a step back from certain campaigns and focus on my business and focus on my clients, because they have the trust in my organization from performance. Some of the stuff that we've been able to do now that we're a Klever customer and that we weren't able to do before is have direct access to all the people who are managing the aspects of the campaigns, from ad operations to analytics to programmatic traders, all the way up to the very top of the organization. And that's important when you're talking about millions of dollars of investments with a partner. You need to have that trust. They weren't just throwing junior people onto the business. Everybody was extremely knowledgeable. It's like senior hands-on on the business, working to understand our needs, understand our goals, understand what we're trying to get out of each and every campaign that we were running through them. And now, almost a year past our initial working together, that hasn't changed at all. They continuously show knowledge. They continuously have extremely senior people on all business. Of course, there was skepticism about working with Klever, but it's working any partner. It could be an ad tech platform, or it could be a direct publisher. There's always skepticism because my name is on the line. I own and operate this organization, and it's my responsibility not only to grow the organization and look for new partners, but also to make sure my clients are exceeding every goal that they come to us with. So if I could give advice to somebody who's maybe on the edge of working with Klever, I was in your position over a year ago at this point, is to give them an opportunity, give them a chance, let them prove themselves to your organization and to your client's business. Or if you are a brand, give them an opportunity, because they're not just an ad tech platform. They are an invaluable partner that goes above and beyond what they are supposed to do. They really are a partner in the true sense of the word, in providing strategy, direction, opportunities, and advice. They've been able to be a resource in new business development for me by giving thoughts and ideas, and I've used them as a sounding board for opportunities like that. And as my business grows, that gives the opportunity for Klever's business to grow through JSB Media, and it's just become invaluable.